Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Geekendz in 2021.
2021!
We are going to show you what's on our walls. Way back there in the blurry background, and over here and over there.
Here, over there, and
But first we have a couple of new posters that we picked up yesterday. Overdue posters. We should have had these already, but we need frames for them, so we're gonna go on a little field trip, then come back.
you've really only seen what's behind us, like when we're sitting on our usual spot on the couch. We have a small apartment here, and every wall has something on it. You will see all of that. And check out my new Grogu shirt. This is my Christmas present from Mike.
This is the way.
Spirit jersey.
Stay at least 6 feet away. Time to get some frames. Okay, we need 24 by 36 and we need a 40 by something or other.
What do we need?
24 by 36,
Okay,
two of these.
2 of those.
And then when I get my Raiders of the Lost Ark poster, I'm gonna need a 40 by something or other. That's
They're buy one, get one free.
plus a coupon. Yeah, that's for when I get my Raiders poster, which will be in the near future. Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
theater size, but
large.
let's get 2 of these for now.
2 of these.
All right, we got them in the car. We actually ended up going with a more expensive 24 by 36. It's got a connected frames, a little heavier.
Yeah, but I always buy one, get one free still, so.
Okay, we're back home from the store. We have our frames.
Yep.
We put the items in them, and we will reveal that toward the end of this gallery tour. So
Welcome to our Hallmark gallery.
we're gonna start at the wall over there. It's short. We'll just follow the wall around the entire apartment near the family of Grogus. We have our engagement photo.
Welcome to our
Hobbit Hole.
Hobbit Hole. That's actually a little storage.
That is a storage,
closet there.
yeah, and it's an inside joke with our friend. She was saying that she wants to live in there. It's her Hobbit Hole, and we found this on Amazon. And by the way, as we show you things, we will try to find links for them. Moving right along, we'll probably do a What's on Our Shelf video one day.
There's a lot of shells. and
Yep.
things.
Over here we have Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade, a 20 by 46. I don't recall the.
That's a big one.
It's like a movie theater
a big
poster. Over here we have the Mandalorian poster that we got at Star Wars Celebration Chicago 2019 from the Mandalorian panel.
Yeah.
And
There's some artwork from my sister. That was a ornament that she drew in
probably 2019, huh?
Probably 2019. Yep,
2019.
2019. Oh,
Oh.
I dropped him.
We lost Grogu.
Let's go put him back up there.
This was our steampunk engagement party
Yeah.
from December of 2018. And that is our actual engagement moment. We were in Manhattan at the Maritime Hotel.
Yeah.
And I surprised Maria with a shiny precious.
The shiny precious.
And over there,
In the
blocked
corner.
behind everything, is there, it's a Guy Fieri, oh my god. Guy Harvey. it's a Guy Harvey painting. There's no food on it, so it's
Yeah.
not Fieri.
That's from our honeymoon on Norwegian Cruise Line. So
Yes.
we picked up that artwork.
We have Chris Trevas Empire Strikes Back painting that we picked up at Star Wars Celebration Chicago 2019.
Yeah.
And over here is our first visit to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, Batu East.
Batu East.
AKA Orlando, Florida, Disney World, Hollywood Studios. Such a great time. We spent the entire day at this world.
Yeah. Check out those vlogs if you haven't seen them
Yeah,
already.
we have about 3 full videos covering everything. Up here we have a Force Awakens promo poster that I believe was released at D23 in 2015, or for the 2015 release. This is a reprint of that. I have not been to a D23 convention. This is a Rob Pryor painting. Greedo is dead because Han shot first and only. Picked this painting up at Walker Stalker, New Jersey
Oh yeah.
in 2018. It was the last Walker Stalker in New Jersey anyway, and I think
that wasn't even a Star Wars convention.
no. And up here, this is just a cutout from, if you watched one of our last videos where we went to the Disney outlet store, we picked up a talking Boba Fett figure, and I just cut this out of the box and hung it up.
It's about
because it's a cool picture.
Yeah.
And we have a shameless promotion. This is our first season, 2018, before we did anything fancy with the title. Over here, my sister-in-law, Sherry, helped us with this Empire Strikes Back fashion. And I just went ahead and put our picture together here. And my aunt purchased this little, where did she get these, like these boxed
I don't know.
things?
There's a couple different companies that make them. I think there's one called like Mixed Tile or something.
Something like that.
But she gets us these little tile pictures.
Another tile photo here is from Halloween Horror Nights, I think in 2019 or?
I think it's
I think it's 2019.
I think that was 2019.
2019 or 2018. Maybe 2018. Because up here we have a 2018 Stranger Things Universal Studios poster with lots of glare on it. Apologize. Let me get over here. Stranger Things had a horror house in 2018 and 2019.
And 2019, yeah.
So I want to say that's 2019. This is definitely 2018 because it says right there 2018.
Yeah, look at that.
BB-8 clock from our friend Jim.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jim.
There's no present like the time.
No present like the time. Grandpa Yoda.
Where did we get that?
Oh, this was like Hallmark or something.
Yeah, well, that was a random find.
Yeah. My homenesses.
Yes.
And our friends, Christy and Ed, picked this up for us for our birthday recently.
Yeah, I'm sure you've seen signs like this for various geek genres. They come in all different sayings.
We got a Han Solo, young Han Solo. We got Iron Man. We got Captain Marvel. We have a Baby Yoda bag. We have Tony Stark ID card in case I need to get into their facilities. We have a Mynock from Galaxy's Edge. We have a BB-8 like cardboard thingy. And I think this is a lightsaber light.
Yes,
right? Does
that's
this
my
work?
lightsaber. Yes, it has a remote control also, which I can't locate right now, but...
Oh, yeah, there we go.
And it has you can change it to different colors and stuff.
We're in the bedroom, and we have this other painting from Chris Trevas that we also picked up at Star Wars Celebration Chicago 2019.
Yeah.
And this is something that he did for, I think, Star Wars Celebration 6, which we were not at. Our first celebration was 2017.
Yeah.
But there's the artist right there. And we like this painting. We've got Han Solo and Princess Leia.
Yeah.
And over here, next to all my hats, we have the...
Well, those don't qualify as art, but they're figures on the wall, so...
Well, they're on the wall. What's on our walls is the topic,
Yeah,
right?
That's true, okay.
Han
It's on the
Solo,
wall.
40th anniversary Black Series figure. Empire Strikes Back, 40th anniversary, which was 2020.
Yeah.
So that's up here. This is my Han Solo shrine, if you can't tell. Speaking of Empire Strikes Back, here in the shadows, we have the, Maria got this for me. This is Han Solo and Boba Fett combo pack. And that hangs up right below the other Hans. We have the classic Star Wars poster. It's actually on wood. It's like a wood poster.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's from CradleCon, the first one we went to. That's at the Cradle of Aviation Museum in Long Island here.
Yeah, that was the artist.
The artist was Game of Tunes, I believe.
Yes.
And yeah, Han and Chewie couldn't resist. This pin is Han Solo.
Celebration
And I got this at
17.
exactly 2017. And then 2019, which was the one right after it, Chewbacca. So they hang out together.
Yeah.
Makes sense. This is a Force Awakens Han Solo figure. 4-inch, I think. This is the retro 3 or 4-inch figure.
Yeah, that's old.
Old reprint. And then I had to get Chewbacca to go with him. So that is primarily my Harrison Ford Han Solo wall. Indiana Jones hat, there's indie stuff coming. Moving right along, paid no attention to Grogu and Mando.
So these are all pins that we collected over the course of Star Wars Celebration Chicago from the swag crew. If you go back and watch our vlogs from Celebration Chicago, you'll see us exchanging all sorts of goodies with people that are members of the swag crew. So these are all the pins that I collected over the course of the weekend. And this this section is all porgs. This is just some that I already had in frames from my previous apartment, but they're just these Finding Nemo lithographs that I believe came out from the Disney Store years and years ago.
Yeah, I don't know.
When you would
What's
pre-order.
that one? It's like in the shadows.
That's the pelican.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's hard to see. And then above my lamp is
The stars.
Nemo and Dory.
We do have our Grogu calendar, by the way, so I guess that counts as something on the wall, but that's the bedroom. We were just in there. Now we have Maria's Kung Fu wall.
Of course, this is just my display with all my sashes. The black one obviously is not on there because I wear that on my person. Our school creed right here, and some fancy lions and all the fancy doodads I collect, whether we've gotten them in Chinatown, and usually each year we try to visit Chinatown during Chinese New Year to pick up a little something. So
yeah, you could check out, we have a video where you could see Maria doing a lion dance. Now we're in the spare room. A lot of blank space here. This might answer our question as far as where to hang more things. Pay no attention to the junk pile here, or pile up. We have a canvas New Hope poster over there.
yeah,
Next to a canvas Empire Strikes Back poster.
here.
I don't know when we're gonna organize this room. And there's our green screen, by the way.
That's our green screen that we do all the movie magic with, and that's this is just the scroll from my instructors at my school. When we got married, we were given this scroll.
Here we have a carbon monoxide detector.
So this is my tiny little anime wall. It's basically just a little wall scroll of Sailor Moon, all the Sailor Moon girls, and then below that is my little tribute to Studio Ghibli, Princess Mononoke, and Spirited Away.
That's Spirited Away right here.
Yep, you still have to watch that movie.
I haven't seen this, but I have seen that.
Mononoke, yeah.
Mononoke. Good movie.
Yep.
And there's nothing really in the bathroom except a heart for Valentine's Day.
If that counts. Mask from Labadee, Haiti, from a cruise I went on a long time ago. And there was a stop in Haiti at they had a little market full of all different, artists. And so that's from Haiti. This is from Mexico. This is a Mayan calendar. I picked this up in Mexico. Oh my God, I think when I graduated high school, when I went to Cancun. That's how old this is. So this is circa 1994.
Sounds right.
Sounds about right. And this is a cool...
Yeah, we're not kids, guys.
Yeah.
We just act like it.
And this is an awesome dragon decor that my sister got me from China when she went to China.
Yeah.
So that's really awesome.
And the Death Star. Welcome to the Death Star,
Star.
bringing stability and order to the galaxy.
Yes.
We found this at ThinkGeek in the actual store before they decided to close the store up.
Oh yeah, this is a ThinkGeek, yeah.
Yeah,
Wasn't it on clearance or something?
That's
I
why
think
we got it, too.
Yeah, it was on sale. It was really cheap.
Canvas, little one, and,
Yeah.
and then another tile photo of Maria and I. I think this was before we were going to see Avengers Infinity War.
Yeah, I think so.
We were at Buffalo Wild Wings next to the movie theater.
Is that where we took that? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that is, because there's a TV in the background.
No, that was like our routine back in the before times when we would go to the movie theater.
Yeah.
This is our thermostat. We like to keep it around 70 in the winter. We have Mushu.
There's Mushu hanging up there.
Adults, you may fill in the blank. Blank the dishes. Just blank them. You've seen this one if you've been following our videos. Coffee Time with Wade. This is I forgot the artist and I apologize. This is something I picked up at AwesomeCon in DC.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Maybe 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah. That used to hang in your kitchen.
It was in my kitchen before Maria and I moved in and got married. But I love that Wolverine is on the coffee mug.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Coffee Time with Wade. So out of the kitchen, I also showed this a couple of times. That's a Tatooine poster that we found at Target.
Target, yeah. This is a recent purchase.
Yeah. And we will eventually hang that up somewhere. I don't know where.
Pardon the cardboard box.
We have a lot of cardboard boxes because we always have an Amazon package.
Because I'm ordering a lot of things.
Another poster I've shown a couple of times on this channel is the Darth Vader and the Bounty Hunters. Very reminiscent to the scene in Empire Strikes Back, except they weren't all posing like this. This is a really cool image.
Yeah, that is a cool one.
Yeah, I like this a lot. Classic Star Wars A New Hope poster right there. Before it was even called A New Hope or Episode 4, it was just Star Wars. We have the Dark Crystal. This is, if Star Wars and Indiana Jones didn't exist, this would be our #1 favorite movie of all time. It is a fantastic film. This is The Force Awakens. I love this poster.
Yeah, it's a great poster.
Very colorful, great characters on here, because, I'm biased. The Avengers, some of them. This is a canvas print I got on Vistaprint. It's our new logo.
Yeah.
52 Geekendz per year. We are going to try to give you 52 per year. Or really give ourselves 52 videos per year. But if you're watching these, thank you for joining us. Subscribe if you're new. Star Wars A New Hope. This is the special edition artwork from 1997. It no longer says special edition here, but that's what this was designed for. Next to Star Wars, I have Raiders of the Lost Ark. I got to see this in the movies, not as a kid. I saw it first in HBO when I was a kid in the 80s, but I saw this in the theater when it was in IMAX for the Blu-ray promotion. And this was the poster that came with my movie ticket. This is Star Wars Galactic Nights at Hollywood Studios, Walt Disney World, Orlando, Florida. We got to do this the same time Star Wars Celebration 2017 occurred. And
Yeah.
this was so much fun.
It was an awesome event.
That is entirely our apartment. We took you from this side all the way around, wrapped around, and went over here. So
Trust me, it's not as big as it looks.
no, it's big enough for the both of us.
Big enough for us for now, but
So now we have the reveal. Take a guess what that one is.
yeah.
Return
My
of
favorite.
the Jedi.
Woo!
Saw it 7 times in the movie theater back in 1983 and 85 when it was re-released.
Wow. That's a lot.
There you go. Empire, Return of the Jedi. Might go up there and join A New Hope. Thanks for checking out our Geek Gallery, the walls of our apartment.
If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up. It does help out the channel a lot. It really does. We know you hear it on everyone's vlog out there, but it really, truly does help out. It tells YouTube that
We're worth watching.
we're worth watching.
We would like to grow. Maybe if we can get to that point where we do have enough viewership, enough subscribers, but this is every YouTuber's goal, right? So
Yeah.
we're having fun with it. Eventually get back to conventions. We'll eventually get back to theme parks.
Theme parks, all that stuff.
But for now, enjoy us on our sofa.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red button on the home page and click that bell. It notifies you every time we post a brand new video.
May the Geekendz
Be with you.